Get right here. Look through the circle. Find the front post. See it? Yeah? Okay? Now I want you to lean forward. Be strong. Okay? Cool. All right, let me put this in there. Push hard. All right. Smack that handle that way. Hard. There you go. All right. Take this, one click. So go to one, the first click. Turn it down, one click. Right there. All right. So finger off the trigger, right? You ready? So now hold it up here. All right. Put it right on your target, right in the middle. When you're ready, pull the trigger. Good job. Give me one click. All right. So slip the finger off the trigger. Put it right in the middle, lean forward.
There you go.
When you're ready, press and hold.
Ooh.
Nice. All right. One click. All right. Finger off the trigger. Lean forward. When you're ready, press and hold. Hold it. Hold.
Yeah. Oh. It's your first automatic rifle.
Oh, hold on. You got more.
Oh, you got more.
You got a few more.
Just hold it down the whole time, Beau. Let it rip.
Lean in, press and hold.
Nice.
That was it. Oh, no, it wasn't. One more. But wait, there's more. I think there's one. There it is.
Nice.
Sean, look at all those bullseyes.
Oh my god.
Dude.